Hello once again, this is Michael Buffet, and now I've upgraded from the Bose L1 Compact, and now I have the Bose. I'm going to be playing in this restaurant, and the volume that I have is very, very low, to where it's definitely, it won't be harsh to anyone sitting here up front. And I have the Bose L1 Pro8, and I'm going to be using the Bose S1 Pro, and my Tonematch, L1 Tonematch. Now these are the house system here. I don't use any house system. Wherever I go, I use this setup right here. So I'm going to be playing a track, backing track. Georgia, Georgia, the wandering through, just an old sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind. Now I'm going to go further out here. And even back here, so people will be able to, they will be able to still eat and enjoy. Then I turn it up, of course. Then I turn it up, of course, as the night goes. But still, even here, it's nice. Everything will be cutting through, vocals and everything cuts through when I'm playing. Still hear all the highs. There's some lows if you have your headphones on. Okay, I just love it just because you don't have to have it loud and it still can be heard from way in the back. Still clear. So if you go back here, they can still hear what's going on, even way back here. bit punks up here. Still not abrasive to anybody. This is the dance floor here, so they get to dance. Over and out. Bose L1 Pro 8, and then Bose